Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Tambdi bhaji. This is a special request from many of my followers. It's a simple recipe yet very delicious. You don't need much effort to make this, and it's a very tasty recipe. So let's get started. I've taken Tambdi bhaji. First what you have to do is you need to clean them. Remove the strings like this. This is how you have to clean and then cut them finely. So once you cut, keep it in a vessel. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of masoor dal washed. Add 2 medium size chopped onion. Salt is to taste. I did 1 teaspoon. Half cup of water. Mix this. Cover this and keep this on the flame. On a low flame, let it cook. So now we'll open this. Add 2 of green chili slit. Mix it well. Cook for another minute. Check this water. Still have water. Cover this and cook. Let's open this. Guys, check this out. Water is about to dry. See. Now at this stage, add half a cup of coconut grated. Stir it for a minute. This is ready now.